10 rules for the perfect photo. So the camera finally shows you looking good. People on TikTok are mass freaking out over that filter that zooms in on your face and shows how others actually see you, or straight up spiraling into depression over the inverted filter that flips your face and shoves your asymmetry right in your eyes. Relax, it's like that for absolutely everyone. You just didn't know these 10 rules of the perfect photo yet. First, hold the camera slightly above eye level. This is the main flattering angle. It instantly hides a double chin, stretches out your neck, and highlights your jawline. Shooting from below your chin is the fastest way to gift yourself a second chin and show everyone your nostrils. Want that model face, camera a bit above? Second, but if you need to look powerful and dominant, drop the camera slightly below. A low angle makes your jaw and shoulders more massive, and you read as strength and status. Just barely though, and always push your jaw forward. Or instead of an alpha, you'll get a double chin. Above is beauty, a little below is power. Pick it based on the mood of the shot. Third, the turtle. The number one trick of everyone who photographs well. Push your chin slightly forward and down, literally a couple of centimeters. It sounds absurd and looks magical. The skin under your chin tightens, the double chin disappears, and your jaw turns sharp. A photographer's secret. Think not chin forward, but ears forward. That way the line comes out natural, no grimace. Fourth, never stand facing straight on. Turn to 3/4. Rotate your torso about 15 to 30 degrees away from the camera. Dead straight into the lens is a passport photo, flat and wider than you actually are. A slight turn gives your face dimension and your body that V silhouette. Nobody's face loves being shot flat and head on. Fifth, shift your weight onto your back foot. This is a trick every model uses. Weight on the foot farther from the camera, the front one relaxed and slightly forward. It instantly kills the stiffness of standing at attention, and the pose looks effortless, like you were caught mid-motion instead of lined up against a wall. Sixth, drop your shoulders down and pull them back. Almost everyone hikes their shoulders up to their ears out of nerves and looks tense. Consciously lower them, roll them back, chest slightly forward. It instantly adds confidence and a longer neck. And a longer neck means, once again, a sharper jawline. Seventh, give your hands a job, because they're everyone's headache in photos. One hand in a pocket with the thumb out, or on your belt, or touching your collar or chin. Anything so they're not dangling at your sides like a doll's. And never clench your fists or lock your hands together. That screams, I'm uncomfortable, louder than any pose could. 8. Light always on your face, never from above. Stand facing a window or the sun. Overhead light, ceiling lamps, the midday blaze casts ugly bag-like shadows under your eyes and nose and ages you a good 10 years. Turn toward the light source and your skin goes even. Your face comes alive. Harsher side light is for when you want to emphasize the jaw. 9. Move the camera farther away and shoot with the rear camera, not the front one up close. A selfie from 10 centimeters with a wide lens bloats your nose and smears your face. That's not you being ugly, that's cheap optics up close. Extend your arm all the way, or have someone shoot you from 5 or 6 feet, and your proportions fall right into place. 10th, don't freeze. Ask for a burst of shots. A single frame almost always catches a half blink or a weird grimace. So a soft exhale, a relaxed jaw, a smile with your eyes, and a burst of 10 shots. Out of 10, there's always that one keeper. And learn your better side. Thanks to asymmetry, everyone has one. Just turn it toward the camera on purpose. So, camera slightly above, body at 3/4, weight on the back foot, jaw forward, light on your face, and a burst of shots on the exhale, and you'll never again say, I look terrible in photos. Drop a comment telling me which rule's going to be your favorite and subscribe. There are plenty more upgrades for your look coming.